back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to provide you a very useful information, that is about the monitor. So I have purchased a monitor in the hybrid allowance. So I'm just gonna review it and share my opinion how it is working and how is the quality of that particular product. Now without doing any further delay, let us get into the video. I was just unpacking the monitor, you can see. So initially when we opened that box, we got all the parts that we need to fix it based on the instructions given. So we got the monitor handles that we need to fix it to the monitor just to place it on the surface, so it will have the support, right? So these are the cables that have been provided to connect it for the electricity and to connect it for your laptop. So this is the monitor that we purchased. So this is the one that is the monitor surface, and here I'm trying to fix it using the instructions provided in the manual. So I'm done with the first step. I fixed the screw to it. Then we have to fix it to the another part given here. So you have to fix that screw to this, and once the steps first two steps is done, then we need to go to the third step. So I have to fix it, just I am just done fixing the second step. Now you need to fix this part to the monitor as shown in the third one. So this is the monitor, so you need to fix that part to this monitor. In the bottom you can see we have two screws given to fix it. So just I'm done with the another part fixing. So now I have to place that part to this bottom of the monitor and fix it. I was just trying to settle it down correctly to the bottom of the surface. Those two needs to be fixed inside the monitor. Then we can keep the screws and fix the screws tightly. So make sure you keep all the screws properly, because there will not be any damage if you fix everything perfectly. I was just trying to settle it down. Now you have to fix the screws in these holes. Here this is the first one, and here this side we have the second one. Now you need to fix it according to the third step given here. So just take those two screws and fix it here. Coming to the quality is really good, because I have been using it for like around 7 months and it's working properly. But before, I mean, after connecting it to the laptop, then you need to change some settings like display settings, I mean display resolution, then it perfectly works fine. Now I was just trying to fix it. Now once it is done, then we are good to use with the cables that have been provided to us. And coming to the major thing, that is the cost of this product. I bought it for 7,500, which I can say it is worthful, because if you see for the other monitors, the price is very high, and comparatively the quality and the way it works is also really good. I think it's really affordable, and it's has the value for the money that we kept on purchasing it. So now I am done with fitting the screws to the bottom of the monitor. So once it is done, now we are good to place it on a table. I was just cross checking whether everything, I mean, every screw is fitted perfectly or not. Otherwise, when we keep it on the surface, then it will not balance the monitor, right? So it might break. Here we have the VGA cable connection, and as well as the HDMI. So whatever the you can use for your laptop, then you are good to. So now we are good with fitting the monitor, and we have the cables that had been provided. So one is for the power supply for the monitor, and another we have is as connector that you need to use it for connecting your laptop to the monitor. You can see how I have connected the power supply to the monitor backside, and we have a connector, so you can use it for connecting your laptop with the monitor so that you can extend or duplicate your screens. So this is a connector, and I have connected everything in the backside. I mean, I have used the power supply and as well as the connector, and have connected it to my laptop. So now this is how the monitor works. So There might be some problems to change the resolution. You can change it using the settings. So this is the final look of the monitor, how it works. Before I had a monitor with 21 inches, so that is the reason I bought 24 inches. This is a Samsung model product and we do have different variety of inches in this model. So I'll provide the related links in the description. Do check out and let me know if you have any queries regarding this product. I think this video might help at least some of you. I hope the information that I have shared is useful. And if you have any queries, just do let me know in the comment section. And I have made lot of videos on such content. Please do check out. I'll provide all the links in the description. If you are watching our videos for the first time and if you think that our videos will help you definitely, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.